Hey, it's Holly, and I know it's a couple days later than I normally do it, but today we're going to open my KnitCrate for April. I am super excited about this one. I cannot remember what weight yarn it is. I think it's fingering weight, but it might be DK, I don't know. But there are two color possibilities for this month. A beautiful aqua-y blue, which I really, really want, or a red, which is really pretty. But let's face it, I want the blue, so I'm going to end up with the red. Because that's how it works here on the Proper Pineapple for KnitCrate. No, I'm just kidding. We don't know. I really want the blue. The red is not a bad color. It is still stunning. I like it better than the browns, so we'll see. Got my little scissors here. I'm going to cut the tape. Normally I do that before I start filming, but me. So KnitCrate is, for all of you who don't know, a monthly subscription box for yarn. They have, this is the membership crate. It usually comes with 2 of their in-house yarns. It could be whatever weight. I've gotten bulky, worsted, DK, fingering. I've gotten it all. You get 2 of them usually. Last month we got 1, but it was because it was a specialty yarn. It was really nice though. And they have like a sock crate, an artisan sock crate, and they have a Malabrigo. If you love Malabrigo like I do, you might want to check that guy out. And all of them are priced differently, so there's something in your budget. But if you use Pineapple 20, which is down below, and my link down below, you will get 20% off of your first subscription, or your first box, or your first purchase, whatever you purchase, because they do have yarn there just to buy. So use my link down below and the coupon Pineapple 20 and get 20% off if you have not gotten KnitCrate yet. But who doesn't love getting this? Look, this cute little teal box when it comes to the door. I'm like, yay! All right, it's time to see if I ended up with the red. I probably got the red. It's beautiful. Maybe I'll love the red. But I had saw the photo and said I want the blue. And you guys know how it is. I get the red, probably. So I'm not going to look. Can they see the yarn? Okay, can you guys see it there? All right. Now I'm going to look. I got the blue! Yay! Oh, it's so pretty, isn't it? Okay, I was right. It is DK, not fingering. Because I was like, I thought it was fingering, but it's probably DK. It is this lovely aqua blue. Isn't that pretty, you guys? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is the first month I got exactly what I wanted. Well, last month I got what I wanted, but it was the only option last month because it was a specialty yarn, so it doesn't count. So this is their in-house brand called Audine Wools, colorway Leaf Eater. It is 85% merino, 15% cashmere, and it is a DK at 302 yards. It is so soft, you guys. I love their stuff with cashmere in it. You guys know I'm making the flat iron shawl with one of their skeins called Banana. It was yellow. It had cashmere in it. It's so soft. I love these. Look at how cute these are. Okay, and then you guys always get in the box a little booklet here. Isn't that cute? With all like the yarns. These are all the different boxes. So this teal here and this red was the ones that could have came in this box. And then these other ones are probably like the sock and the Malabrigos and all of that. You usually get 2 patterns. Okay, there is the crochet one. Okay, here's the red for anybody who didn't see that. It's a stunning red, but I didn't have anything red. If you hear a lot of commotion, it's because my children apparently feel like they need to see the yarn that I'm holding up right here for them to see. Anyways, there's also a digital pattern available. Ooh, it's a beautiful yarn. So this is the crocheted shawl. It is by Lillian Boos Camelico. I am so sorry if I did that no justice. Isn't that stunning? It is a beautiful, beautiful crochet pattern. Absolutely love it. And then there should have been a knitted one. Let me see if I can get to it. Yep, here it is. Oh, and that pattern was called the Chrysalis, C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S, Chrysalis shawl. And then this one is called Canopy, and it is by Destiny Meyer. This is the knitted pattern for the yarn that came in the book. So you always get 2 patterns, a knit and a crochet pattern. Plus there's some other stuff in here too, which is always great. And they always show on the back the inspiration photos for next month. So this is the inspiration photos. Is it going to focus? There we go. For next month's boxes. I'm pretty excited. I'm really kind of loving this green apple colorway. I could be down on that. Ooh, or these peppers down here. Pretty cool. But Anyway, I always love the colors I get. Even if it was the brown I didn't like, it's great because there's a huge KnitCrate community, especially over on Ravelry. And if you get a color you don't like, somebody else got a color they didn't want and they might want to trade with you. So I have always been able to get what I did want by trading, which is always great. But I'm pretty excited. Look at these. They're so pretty. And they have that. Oh, I bet. I wonder if they would go. I don't know. I got some yarn I think they might go with. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Okay, I'm back. So I am very happy. And I'm telling you guys, that 15, is it 15? It is. 15% cashmere really makes a difference. It's so soft. Okay, if you guys don't get KnitCrate, use my link down below. Use Pineapple20 and get 20% off. Who doesn't want to get that, you guys? Love you guys, and I'll check you guys out later. Bye.